Assalamu alaikum. This is me Asad, and with me I have got my father Asad Yaqub, and we are making some videos in which we are going to demonstrate IELTS speaking part 1. So I'm going to ask him some questions, and these questions are the ones which are the most frequently asked questions. So are you ready for your test?
Yes, I'm ready.
How often do you read books?
Well, I read books regularly. I'm a very good reader. In fact, in my home, I've got a small library, a study room where I read books. At present, I read books on IELTS, but in the past, I used to read motivational books. So, to answer your question, I would say I am a good reader.
Do you think investing in books is a good deal?
Absolutely. Investing in books means you are investing in your mind. Books actually develop your intellectual skills. So if you invest on books, you are investing on your intellectual skills, and these skills will help you earn money. It is said in English, your today's learning is your tomorrow's earning. So to answer your question, I would love to say investing in books is the best investment ever.
Why do young people don't like to read books?
Well, young people have got a lot of distractions. The first and the main distraction is mobile phone and social media. So instead of reading books in physical form, young people spend most of their time on social media and they find less time to read books. On the other hand, reading a book is boring for many young people, and using social media is very interesting. So because of these reasons, young people do not like to read books these days.
Is there any book that helped you a lot in your life?
Yes, I once read a book. It was The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, and this book taught me a lot. I literally followed those 7 habits, and these habits developed me from inside, and then the reflection of that inside came outside. So the way I am, partially it's because of the book that once I read. So I would say yes, this book contributed a lot to my life.
That's good. That's the end of your speaking part 1. Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys. Okay, so see the answers. They are all according to the question, no extra information, and I'm using the 3-step formula to answer the question. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub and
Asad.
we both wish you best of luck from the balcony of Second Cup, Natsiya Gali. Take care.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.